All right, everybody, so you're going to fill out this form about which 2 meetings you want to go to on Wednesday. Okay, so you should read all this. The College Access Connector Series features college admissions representatives, financial aid specialists. On Wednesday the 24th, all of our high school students will go to this meeting. La, 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 la. Okay, so you're going to fill this out. Student last name. Notice it says last name. So put your last name. Capital letter, right? First name. So put your first name. Capital letter. High school you attend. East. Advisory teacher's name. Capital M, S, period, space, capital T. All right. Capital M, capital T. What grade are you in? Whatever your grade is, okay? And then this is where the video that I made for you is going to help a lot. So you're going to pick 2, one from this list to go to first, and one from this list to go to second. So after you watch the video, make sure you take notes on which ones are interesting to you. Just write down the number, okay? And then when you come here, look at your notes and you'll see, okay, you thought number 3 looked interesting and you thought number 8 looked interesting. Okay, so click on the 2 that you want to go to. Notice the first one goes from 11 to 11:25. Then you have 5 minutes, run to the bathroom, grab some water, tea. And the next one is 11:30 to 11:55. On Thursday, you will have an assignment in Google Classroom about the sessions that you attended. So make sure you go and you can tell me a little bit about what you learned. This last question says, what other colleges or careers not in the series would you like to learn more about in the future? So maybe you would like to learn about KU. Maybe one of your teachers went to KU and talks about it all the time and you think you might like that. And a career or a job, and about the job of let's say you want to know about a nurse practitioner. You've heard of nurses, but somebody told you a nurse practitioner is like a doctor and you want to know more about that. Because maybe you want to be a doctor, but you're not sure if that will be right for you. So any other job. So any college you want to find out about, any career you want to find out about. You can even just write it like this. You could even just write KU and the job. Maybe you want to know about being a welder. That's all, okay? Make sure you send yourself a copy. That way, if I ask you to show me if you did it, you can just send me the copy of this and then submit it, okay? All right, everybody. Have fun with this. I hope you learn a lot, and I look forward to hearing you tell me about what you learned. See you later.